Okay guys, so today I want to show you how I design my airfoil profiles for front wing and rear wing. So I have my first profile designed already, and now I'm gonna design my second profile. There is some difference because this was positioned freely, but this point and this point we can move them along the direction and everything will change accordingly. But for our second and third profile, there will be the difference that we have this front guide, which will be on a translated line. This one we will translate this line some 10-15 millimeters upwards, so we are within legality. So let's begin. Let's go to our input folder. We can hide this. We don't need it right now. So let's just translate this one. Translate this direction Z, and let's try it 15 millimeters. We can rename it. This is our guide 1 or guide for the leading edge. And now we are gonna design airfoils around this. So first thing first, we're in our input folder. I designing these folders, so I have basically I know where everything is and I can orientate very easily. I can find things, change things very easily. It's very good to have some sort of guidance inside of this structure, and I don't know if I send this to another person, he will also know what is where basically. So let's sketch our line. This line will be angled normal. We can use the first chord as our reference line, this point. We will change these two things, okay, and also the angle. There is some angle between chord lines. I would like to use, I don't know, this is middle, this is not very low section, so we can use 10 degrees from the first profile. And last thing, don't forget to select the plane. Reverse. So yeah, this is 170 now. Again, properties. This is our chord. Go to graphic and change it. Basically, right now, when you see the pink lines, you know that's just reference geometry and don't need to worry about it. So again, we are going to the geometry, we are going to the line, angle normal, curve, point, plane is ZX plane, it's normal to curve, and start is -1 and is +1. Enter, and we have our trailing edge properties. Now we are gonna design these two tangent lines for the suction surface and for the pressure surface. So again, another line from this curve, this point, support is ZX plane, this is 0, make it long so it's easily to see, and angle will be 170, I guess. Change it to the input properties. Tangent suction surface, and also forgot to change the color. not hide. Properties, graphic. So now we are gonna do same thing for, but we can use this curve, so we will just know exact angle. Reverse. Why is it like this? Support is that explain. Sometimes it's doing, yeah, this is it. We wanna have around 5, 10 degrees max. 5 is good. 5 is really good at trailing edge. So again, this is properties. This is incline. This feature, and it's tangent to the pressure surface. Last tangent line we want to design is at the leading edge. So again, this line, now the front point, support is zx plane minus 50 and up to 50 preview, and we're gonna change the angle roughly 70 degrees. This is tangent to the leading edge, and also changing the color and line type, like OK. I use a different color. Yep, this is right color. Properties. So okay, we have the guidelines. What are we gonna do next? We are going back to the geometry, and we are using spline from this point along this direction, change direction. Here we have the correct direction, and this. Now we are gonna adjust the tension to have more airfoil style profile. This is good. If it doesn't look good, doesn't matter, we'll change it later on. Now again, I will copy this and paste it, just so I don't need to go back to the folder here. It's easier to just copy and paste stuff. So yeah, I can hide it right now. So I will always click here, and I can do, no, I cannot. Okay. I will design the same thing on the outdoor section also. Maybe we can try it if it's working or not. Copy, paste. Chord curve. This curve. Point is this one. Support is this plane. Okay. We are going to design our second trailing edge. Maybe we can make it just by copy and paste. Normal, -1, is our trailing edge tower part. Part and curve is that one. Point, this is leading edge, right? This is point, and support is this. Okay. Pressure properties, not properties. Uh, curve, tangent section curve is this. Support is this plane, and point is this one. Pressure point is this one, and support is this plane. Okay, I will just rename everything here out. And now we are going to the geometry. Again, another spline. Here, reverse it. Change the tension. And now we have two profiles. We have one guide. We can design two more guides. But first thing first, let's join these two together. And also these two together. So yeah, this is the approach I use to design my airfoils. Just basically spline using the section plane. So if I move this plane right now, I will move all of this. Well, not right now because I am connecting it to the guide here. So I will need to change this first section plane, and then it will move also with it. But you understand what I'm trying to say. Also, if I want to make this one longer, I can make it 150 and it's longer. So it's really, really, really easy to adjust things. Also, changing the angle here can be more upwards, more downwards. Everything is up to your preference, up to your CFD results. And basically, that's the thing to make design it that is structurally stable. So if you change something, you won't have 300 things falling apart because you changed something. But yeah, you want to change it like this. Change one thing and everything changes accordingly, nothing fails. So why? Okay, now we have two guides. We can adjust the tension there if you like. If you want to make it more outward loaded, you want to make this tension near the center line stronger, so it will be more outward loaded. If you want to more inward loaded, you can add some points there and change the profile along its direction. Okay, now we are gonna go to the output folder where I'm gonna design one extrude, which is along y direction, reverse it, properties, change the color to pink. This is our reference surface. Just so we have a tangent connection when we mirror this element to the other side. And now we are gonna go to multi-section surface, this profile, add support, this reference surface, and this profile here. Now we need to be careful. Closing point is here and is facing rearwards. Closing point is here and is facing upwards. This shouldn't be a problem when we add guides there. So let's see. We are going to add 3 guides. Preview. Okay, we have our profile. Also, we can change coupling so it's tangency. So we have our profile, we have our first element, our second element, we have constant distance between these two profiles. They are overlapping each other. The first element's trailing edge is visible from below and it's not visible from above, so we are okay within the rules. And now if I want to change this and make it longer, I will just add 150 here and we have longer profile there. Or I don't know, I want to adjust the camber, I want to make it more angled there. We can change the angle there, make it more, add more curvature there. Yeah, it's really easy to adjust and basically nothing fails if I change one parameter. Everything is built that way, so I change one parameter and everything changes with it. So you can test it in CFD, see the results, you will see that you have separation somewhere, you will lower the angle, and you can test again and again and again. Don't need to build new wings every other week. You can just adjust the one that exists already. So yeah, this is some quick introduction into my kind of style of CAD modeling in CATIA V5. I really hope that you like this video and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.